Mira, mira, mira. Nhasi tikutaura nezvemazwi anopikisana.
Stop, stop, stop. Today you are going to talk about opposite words.
Simuka.
Stand up.
Gara.
Sit down.
Enda.
Go.
Dzoka.
Come back.
Rara.
Sleep.
Muka.
Wake up.
Famba.
Walk.